Today we're going to learn how to make your own Christmas ham using Misty Gully's maple ham cure. So we're making our own ham from scratch, and what we've got is a bone-in, skin-on green leg of ham, and that means it hasn't been cured. So obviously our first step is to cure our ham. And for that we're going to need a tub of water, and we're going to need some Misty Gully maple ham cure. All the instructions are on the back, they're really easy to follow, and everything you need to make ham is included in that pack. We need to mix 130 grams of the ham cure per litre of water in order to make our brine. Give it a good stir until it's thoroughly dissolved. And when it comes to making enough brine, you just need to make sure you've got enough to completely submerge your ham in whichever container it is that you're using. Now we're using a much larger container than what you normally would, just for the purposes of this video. You also need to make some additional brine to allow for a pump rate of 25%. That means for 25% of the weight of the ham, you need that much additional brine to pump back into it. So for example, a 4 kilo leg of ham, you need to make an additional 1 litre of brine to inject. You need to make sure your ham is completely submerged in its container, so you may need to make up a little extra brine just to make sure that it's thoroughly covered throughout the curing process. When it comes to curing your ham, you need to allow about 1 day per 500 grams of meat, up to a maximum of 8 days. After the brining period, give your ham a good rinse. Once you've rinsed it, it's best to soak it in water then for a good couple of hours. From here, you're ready to add it to your smoker. Cook it at 120 degrees for probably around 4 to 5 hours until the ham reaches an internal temperature of 68 degrees. Once your ham is finished smoking, it's time to dress it for Christmas. Start by trimming away the skin to reveal the fat underneath. Score your meat in a crisscross pattern. You're aiming to get it probably about 3 or 4 millimeters deep with these cuts. Then we're adding our cherries along the crisscross lines, and our cloves as well, just to make it look beautiful. Once you've decorated your ham, it's time to make our glaze. Then it's back in the smoker for a final cook. After a couple of hours at about 120 degrees, your ham will be back up to that internal temperature of 68 degrees, and then voila! Slice and serve. Christmas ham made from scratch at home with Misty Gully maple ham cure.